Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off audio description function in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for this function and how to turn it off. First, we need to go to Settings, then we are looking for our accessibility menu here, and at the top we have Spoken Assistance. In Spoken Assistance we have audio description. So, what does it do? We have a short explanation here. If available, automatically select the audio soundtrack with an audio description while watching videos. So, to turn it off, we simply uncheck this box and that's it. No need to save this setting. We can safely close any menus we have and we can go back to our home screen. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.